Hello guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to use Solver, but first I'm going to let you know what is a solver inside Excel. A solver allows you to place all sorts of constraints on that data. You can force Excel to work with a certain range of numbers. Example, you can forbid it from using negative numbers or non-integers. You can also use the solver to determine the best way to maximize profit and minimize a value. This may sound like a textbook definition, and yes, it is a textbook definition. So throughout my next few videos, I will show you examples on how to use a solver. Excel does not have the add-in that is added to the solver, so right now on your ribbon you will not see the solver function. So how you would install that add-in? Well, first you go to File. From the File button, you then is going to go over to More. Then you go over to Options. So this one is right now you are playing around with Excel's Backstage. So that's why if this is a really good MOS example. If it ever tells you to do anything in the Backstage, it is going to be a File option. And let me jump back into the solver. So how you do the add-in, then you go over to add-ins. Right on the bottom of the list, you're going to click on Solver Add-in. Then you click OK. And that is all about it on how you add in the solver. And on my next few videos, I'll show you examples of a solver. Catch you there. Bye for now.